Okay, so here is the Ryobi battery. Regular capacity, 18-volt battery. Works on the 1 Plus or any tool pretty much. Here's the high capacity battery that they have. This is a 4 amp. Okay, it has a little button right here to test to see how much power you have. But what we're talking about is this, in this video, is the Amazon battery here, the lithium-ion 18-volt. This is a 5 amp battery. Even has the button right here on the front. You can test. Okay. Tons of power, 5 amps. Works on any of the other Ryobi tools. Still the 18-volt battery. Okay, even works on this compressor right here. But has tons of power. The same height as the Ryobi, as you can see. Okay, but as you can see, these are beat up. I mean, they've been used. I've been using them for a long time whenever I renovate houses and do different jobs. So you can see that they've been used and they're still kicking. I've had these for a while now and they're still holding charge. They still work in the same Ryobi chargers as well. So these are a very good product to get. Hold lots of charge. They're going to work on all of your Ryobi tools. 5 amp lithium 18-volt battery. High capacity.